a quarter mile, turn right onto 32nd Street.
Okay. She took us in one way, but this is a better way to go in. When the bridge says it's closed, but we'll be turning and going to the springs. This may be a place we can get the bike out and ride. It'd be nice to come up to the bridge. We saw it when we came by a while ago.
Take the next right onto 32nd Street. In a quarter mile, turn left onto 91st Drive.
This is going to be right where we were, but we'll be on the other side of that gate. Well, why she didn't bring us in this way? Didn't see any camping. You got swimming, fishing, hiking. I bet this is going to be some kind of pay facility.
Take the next left onto 91st Drive, then you will arrive at your destination.
But we'll find out here shortly. We were right there on the right. Well, maybe this is just a Florida park. I don't know what this place is. We're about to find out, though.
You have arrived.
We have arrived, haven't we? Okay, let's wrap these up. Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025. Suwannee River. Here at Suwannee Springs. We're going to go back and put our water shoes on. See if there's a map of this place. Figure out what we want to do. How long we want to be here. The river is flowing from our right to our left, which seems exactly backwards to me. Okay, Suwannee Springs, Suwannee River. Springs are up here. We keep hearing something, I think it's a fish or a turtle, wallowing around in the river. We haven't seen any gators, but I'm sure they're around here. Or I feel sure they are anyway. Look at this water. Yeah, it drops off pretty quick. It'd be pretty deep here. We'll ask the girl if she knows. Springs are coming out from there going into the water. There's a bridge further up, but I don't think we have access. We'll see. It says the bridge is closed, but we may be able to park and walk down. I don't know. We're going to find out though. Guess we could do a short video on Suwannee Springs. Sort of a preview of what we're going to upload. Let's do that. Okay, well, you can get up here from the road. We're going to park here and we're going to walk down. We're going to turn this camera off. We're going to use the Insta360 and the GoPro Black 10 to get more video. I guess we'll use this one a little bit too, to try to put more of it together quicker. Okay, we just Googled it, and this bridge was constructed in 1931. So, we were very close. Said it is now abandoned, of course, but open for traffic, but open to pedestrians. I wonder if that may be another parking lot up there. We'll turn the Insta360 back on shortly, but I wanted to get enough video with the S22 Ultra to make it worthwhile, because I've got to download the video from the Insta360 and or the GoPro. Then I've got to get it in the computer, edit it, upload it, and all of that could be several days away. So we want to have some stuff that we can upload from the camera or from the phone. But just know, when we get this uploaded, know that we will have Insta360 and GoPro Black 10 video coming later. Look at that black water. That is awesome. The tannin is what gives this water its distinctive color. And from what I have learned on the St. Mary's River boat tour was that that tannin is very acidic, so bad things don't grow in it as far as the bacteria and stuff. Now, I don't know that I'm completely right about that, but and I don't know that you want to drink this, but then see, we are just off, what, about 500 yards off of, 400 yards off of old US Highway 129. We've gotten hungry, folks. We haven't had any breakfast. There are the springs. Let's see if we can get in a little bit of shade and get that. All that water coming out from those springs. What was that? We missed it again. Yeah, we just came up the trail over there. Something over there too. Here's Highway 129. Left is south, right is north. Okay, let's turn this one off. We may go under the bridge over here on the other side. I don't know if we will yet or not. Okay, we're walking back across the bridge. We're going to see about going underneath here a little bit. We also got a battery for the GoPro Black 10, so we'll be turning it back on. Listen, it stopped recording about here, didn't it? Let's go ahead and get the GoPro Black 10 going again. So we Googled and it said this bridge was built in 1931, so we were pretty close. We didn't Google when this was abandoned, but I'm sure it was when they four-laned 129 over there, or whatever they did when they improved it, widened it. It's neat that they leave these bridges, and I've got one of my friends, subscribers, that worked on a lot of bridges, worked for the trust companies that built them, and he said the term was abandoned in place. I like that. I've been using it since he told me. Thanks. Okay, we're going to see about getting underneath here a little bit. Don't know how long we'll spend here. Probably not a whole lot longer. We want to find some more video of the Suwannee River and landings. See if we can get down here without breaking our silly neck. Okay, under the bridge. Haven't seen any of the little swifts nest. Haven't seen the swifts flying out from here either. You reckon the swifts aren't around here? There's a nest up there, but it's not built like a swift's nest. It's more like some type of regular type of bird. Oh, there's a camper down here. That's probably who just came out. Let's see, I want to get down there. We're not going to disturb anybody. We'll walk down there. doodlebugs. Bugs are out, they're after us. Yep, doodlebugs. The formal name is ant lions. They use these for monsters in some of the movies. I know Star Wars used them. I don't see any swift's nest at all. That's interesting. Look at that water. Absolutely gorgeous. That is one passel of water bugs. Look at them. You don't need the bugs getting after us. When we start up back up the hill, we're going to put the Insta360 on. And we will turn off the GoPro Black 10. And this one. Looking downstream the Suwannee River. Turning, looking upstream. Springs. There's a lot of water coming out of the ground over there. Okay, we're about to turn this and the GoPro Black 10 off and crank up the Insta360, head back to the van, decide where we're going, what we're going to do next. What time is it? You can tell the water has been all the way up there. A lot of water comes down this river at times. For y'all's information, there are some invasive snails in Georgia. I don't know if they're down here or not, but around Lake Lanier and stuff, they've been seen. Do not touch them, do not pick them up. They will put an end to you. Okay, this should be a wrap with this one. We're going to turn on the Insta360.